Today we are using small unmanned aircraft systems to locate targets called for artillery fire and also to observe the fall of those rounds, make the required adjustments, and to conduct a battle damage assessment. The drone itself provides its location. You can get in vicinity of or right over your target, get your location grid, call in that fire mission. Target location, uniform, kilo, 574. And then adjust the rounds based on your observer location. We've been using larger platform drones for years to do these kind of things for targeting information. Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems has recently been added to that. It's in development currently. These things are changing and advancing at a rapid rate, just like everything that really has to do with technology typically does. We need to adjust with the times as well. It's another enabler and it's another asset, it's another force multiplier. Greatly can increase your situational awareness at a lower echelon than I think ever historically.
UAS, in a sense, it reduces risk to that observer, right? So we can push a UAS out so the observer himself can remain concealed or behind cover. UAS goes out, conducts the extraction of whatever data that it needs to, comes back. It's analyzed by that fire support channel, and then it's processed. So on the tail end, when the round actually does impact, fire! You get that battle damage assessment.